As someone who has dedicated decades to the transmission industry, I've seen my fair share of poorly designed and manufactured units, but none quite as problematic as the General Motors 6L80, 8L90, and 10L80 transmissions. The 8L90 in particular is infamous among professionals for its shocking lack of quality control. Hundreds of units torn down in my shop have revealed everything from misaligned clutches to inconsistent machining tolerances and subpar internal components that simply aren't built to last. It's no exaggeration to say that every time I open up one of these transmissions, I find a new reason to question how such a product ever made it past GM's quality assurance. The problems don't end at the assembly line. On the road, these transmissions are prone to the dreaded shudder, harsh shifting, delayed engagement, and erratic behavior, all symptoms of deeper design and manufacturing flaws. Owners are left frustrated as their vehicles become almost undrivable, with many reporting issues within just a few years or even months of light use. The 8L90's torque converter clutch is especially notorious for failing prematurely, often leading to catastrophic transmission damage that requires complete rebuilds or replacements. To make matters worse, GM's official response to these complaints has been woefully inadequate. The recommended double flush procedure, changing the transmission fluid twice in hopes of curing the shudder, is nothing but a band-aid solution, and in my experience, it rarely, if ever, solves the underlying problems. In fact, I believe this strategy is just a way for GM to buy time, avoid negative online press, and ultimately push frustrated customers into purchasing new vehicles instead of addressing the real issues with these transmissions. Amidst all this, class action lawsuits have piled up against General Motors, with thousands of owners seeking justice for their unreliable transmissions. Yet, there is hope for those plagued by the 8L90's notorious flaws. Transmax Transmissions in Ocala, Florida, currently offers the only known effective fix. Their proprietary solutions address the root causes of failure, providing lasting reliability that simply isn't available from the manufacturer. For anyone suffering from GM transmission woes, Transmax is the trusted name that can finally deliver peace of mind.